What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So today, I actually haven't had the truck for, what'd you say, 4 days now? Something like that?
4 or 5, yeah.
About 4 or 5 days I've been driving the Titan back and forth to work because I actually dropped the truck off to this man right here.
What's going on, guys? George and Glozz, Glozz Garage Detailing. We detailed Anthony's truck up. We got a 5-year ceramic on it. We did a light polish paint correction on it. It's looking beautiful. 3-year glass parency on the front window. So this thing is gonna be ready to take on the love bugs this season. Anthony's gonna be able to film more videos for you guys. He's not gonna be spending so much time washing it. I'm a certified installer for SP3 coatings in the IDA, the International Detail Association. I'm certified glass parency installer and just overall good guy. So I'm here in Port St. John, Florida, Cocoa, Florida. And if you guys have any detailing needs, hit me up at 321-480-8103. It's Glozz Garage Detailing. Look forward to hearing from you guys. Keep liking and subscribing to these videos, and drop a comment if you think his car looks good.
And I'll definitely put his information down in the description. So go ahead and walk over real quick what you did, what you coated, what we're kind of holding off on, what issues you found, things like that.
For sure, for sure. So from the dealership, they kind of just made it, you know, not to hurt the truck at all, but kind of I look at it as slapping lipstick on a pig. And not that this truck's a pig, but what they did is they just spray painted the trim. They slapped some crappy tire shine on it that flung all over. They let paint drip all over the hood and the fenders and everything like that. So they kind of just tried to make it look shiny and everything, and they didn't do a good job. So what we did is we stripped it down. We did a wash and a chemical and physical decontamination on the vehicle. We got rid of the paint that was dripped all over. There's black paint all over the hood and fenders. Got the oily residue off the sides from the tire shine. Cleaned up the chromes. We cleaned the wheels real good. The paint got a nice polish. The paint's popping. Got rid of the surface oxidation.
Yeah, it's like a mirror now.
Some of those scratches and swirls, we got those off. Cleaned up the black piano trim here. Looks beautiful. That's very soft paint, so you gotta be careful when you're washing that, not to swirl that up. And then we went ahead, we prepped it. We wiped it with a prep all. We got all of the oil, the polish residue off of the car. We went ahead and we installed a 5-year SP3 ceramic coating to all the painted surfaces. And then we went ahead and we did a 3-year window coating. That's going to help visibility in the rain. It's going to help get the water off. It's going to help get the bugs off the window a lot easier. You're not going to be sitting there scrubbing them. And you know, then after that we went ahead, we did our final detail. We put the tire shine on. We cleaned up the jams, went over the trim, and then just, you know, make sure we crossed our T's and dotted our I's. And I'd say the truck looks beautiful.
You want to kind of talk about how the ceramic coat works real quick?
So basically what a ceramic coating is, it's a sacrificial layer for the clear coat. So what we're doing is we're sealing up the pores in the paint, and we're making a very hydrophobic surface. So what that's going to do is going to make washing the car a lot easier. It's going to protect it from acid rain, from the UV damage. Giving it a sacrificial layer, so almost like a bulletproof vest. You know, instead of you taking the damage and your vehicle taking the damage, the paint, the coating is taking the damage. So it's going to help reduce the micro marring from when you're washing it, because it's going to lift that dirt off the surface when you wet it, and it's going to add a median in between. It's going to keep everything nice and lubricated, keep it nice and shiny. And then if you do get some water spots, if you get some bird etching on it, instead of polishing on your clear coat, we're going to be polishing on the coating. It's going to take it off, and your clear is going to be perfect, intact. And in 3 years down the road, your clear coat's not going to be all chalked up and everything, and it's going to keep your investment looking beautiful. And that's what we're here to do.
Sweet, awesome. Well, I guess I'll kind of walk around and show you guys real quick. This truck looks freaking amazing. The only thing I still have to got to replace that fog light that's cracked. I haven't got to that yet, but yeah. Tow mirrors look great. We installed those last video.
Like the tow mirrors.
Those are probably going to go eventually. I've been kind of looking at some wheel choices. I might just get some takeoff Raptor wheels for now. But yeah, no, this looks awesome. We still have those 2 dents back here that'll probably get taken out hopefully here soon. Another thing that he did for us is we've decided, after a poll on Facebook, to take off the F150 badge as well as the flex fuel badge that was over here. So those are now gone. This looks really good. I like the look of that a lot.
Very clean.
Very clean. So, I guess we'll kind of finish walking around.
Yeah, this thing got fully detailed. I was on my hands and knees in the bed of the truck, scrubbing it down and polished the exhaust tip. So it's looking good. It's looking good for sure.
Sweet.
I'm happy with it.
So just made it home. I'd like to thank George for doing an amazing job on the truck. Like I said earlier, I'll go ahead and link his information down below. So I kind of hope this truck will stay nice for a very long time. Definitely the ceramic coat and having the paint corrected definitely brought out the deepness in the paint, which is amazing. So I know this is a short little video, but thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below, and we'll see you next time. Really, car? Bye.